very beautiful. Isn't it? Right?
Yes.
Ma'am? Ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Mrs. Joseph. Mrs. Oh, fuck you. Shut up, iPad.
We're really trying to work.
Yes?
I changed my music for you.
No, please. This music is interesting. There's no way you're changing that music.
Then just listen to the music.
Okay. Oh, please. Every time I do bad stuff, you get angry most of the time. Like your fucking mom. My mom's name is Agnes. Like the girl, the movie I just saw today.
Okay, every time you make a noise, I'll change it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, oopsie daisy. Why are you changing the fucking music? Okay, I'll stay quiet. God, I always have to do every fucking thing myself. Hey! Cut that out! God, I always have to do that fucking thing.
Okay, we won't listen.
No, no!
We won't listen.
No, I'll listen to it!
I'm fucking tired right now, okay?
Nobody.
I'm trying to do my work.
Sorry.
No, you're not. You said sorry before. And then you did it again. That's not sorry. You say sorry when you did an accident. That was not an accident. You did it on purpose.
Okay.
You hurt my feelings, and now we will listen to silence.
Okay. Just calm down.
No. Will not calm down.
Are you pissed off at me?
Don't tell me what to do.
Oh, I can't. Oh, Jesus Christ. Uh-oh, here it comes. Here comes his high temperature.
Please shut up.
Yes, ma'am.
I will confiscate your iPad. Okay?
And what are you gonna do?
Lock it. And then give it back to you.
No.
And then you'll never know the password.
No, please. Okay. I'm sorry for pissing you off. And it won't happen again.
Okay, just stop.
Just please, put the music back.
Will you stop making noise?
Yes, ma'am.
Close the door
No.
downstairs.
No.
So we don't have to hear the vacuum.
No. You can't do that. He's coming. How we do? Oh crap, he's coming. Oh crap, he's pissed. You can still hear it.
Now we'll fuck the vacuum. Okay?
Just calm down, man.
Okay. Do you like this instrument?
Yes. I like everything. Touch my ass. My beautiful black ass. Why would they touch it? Fuck you, iPad. Damn it, you bitch. You know what? Shut the fuck up. Fucking iPad. I'm gonna fucking kill you. 65 birthday. At least Joseph is not angry. Like he was. Because he's pretty pissed. Hey, Joseph.
Yes?
Oh, yeah, he's really pissed off. Okay. What kind of math is that?
Statistics.
Statistic? Statistic?
Yes.
What kind of sick mathematician is that?
It's your dad's math.
Come on, that's the stupidest math I ever heard in my life.
You want to tell your dad that his job is stupid?
Oh, fuck no. Oh, fuck no, I will never, you wouldn't.
Well, you just said that.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I was just kidding. Okay, it's right, man. God damn, this guy's evil. Maybe I should have not said that in the first place. Because Joseph is pretty pissed off. Jacob's so pissed off if he finds out the whole thing. I fucked myself in my fucking ass. Like he was. Find out soon. Good night, folks.